Are you using Xfinity as your internet provider and want to access your Comcast email through Outlook? Great choice. But getting Comcast email to work in Outlook requires entering the exact server settings, port numbers, and security protocol that Comcast uses. And even if one detail is off, the setup will fail. That's exactly why I created this video to walk you through the entire setup process step by step. Also, you can call us at the given numbers on the screen if you need expert assistance along the way. Alright then, let's begin. First, you need to open the Outlook sign-in page on your computer. After that, type your Comcast email address in the box and then click on the Continue option. Next, you should type in your account password and then click on Continue. When you see the screen, then simply click on Continue to proceed with the further steps. After that, check if the sign-in is complete. Otherwise, go to the Xfinity email account. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, then make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos in the future. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Next, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon and then choose the email settings option. Now, from the left side panel, click on security. Then, look for the third-party access security checkbox and select it. Next, head back to your Outlook email and click on Continue option. If you're still facing issues, then make sure to follow the sign-in process once again. If the sign-in is successful, then you will see the screen. Go ahead and click on the next button. On the screen, you can choose either of the given options as per your choice and click on Accept. Then, you need to click on Continue. After that, you will see Apply Settings option. Just click on it. Here you go. Your Xfinity email setup on Outlook is complete. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.